Claude Mythos. Anthropic has introduced Claude Mythos, its most advanced AI model designed to detect hidden bugs in legacy software that human reviewers have missed. Instead of a public release, the model will be limited to a consortium of over 40 companies focusing on scanning decades-old code to identify previously undetected vulnerabilities. Claude by Anthropic, a leading AI model in the LLM ecosystem. Anthropic's Claude is a large language model LLM comparable to models like ChatGPT and Gemini designed for tasks such as coding, reasoning, and productivity. Claude has gained recognition for its strong performance in coding and reasoning tasks, making it particularly valued among developers and professionals for generating reliable and structured outputs. Anthropic offers multiple versions of Claude, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus in increasing order of sophistication, each known for enhanced reasoning and task execution abilities. Despite high pricing, Anthropic, like many AI companies, remain unprofitable, investing heavily in development to compete in the rapidly evolving AI race. Claude Mythos versus other models, a cybersecurity-focused evolution from coding strength to security capability. Anthropic's earlier models like Opus demonstrated strong coding abilities, unintentionally enabling them to identify bugs and vulnerabilities in widely used open source software. Discovery of hidden vulnerabilities. Opus was able to detect bugs missed by human reviewers, raising both opportunities for improved security and concerns about potential misuse by malicious actors. Mythos purpose built for cybersecurity. Claude Mythos takes the capability further by actively identifying severe security vulnerabilities at scale, reportedly uncovering hundreds of critical flaws in legacy systems. Risk of dual-use technology. The ability to detect vulnerabilities also raises the risk that such tools could be exploited by hackers, prompting caution in deployment and restricted access. Project Glasswing and industry collaboration. To address these concerns, Anthropic launched Project Glasswing, a defensive cybersecurity initiative in collaboration with major tech companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Cisco. A strategic shift in AI application. Mythos represent a shift from general-purpose AI to specialized high-impact applications, particularly in strengthening cybersecurity infrastructure. Claude Mythos capability, access, and cybersecurity risk. Uncertain but proven capability. While Mythos' full capabilities are not publicly known, Anthropic has demonstrated its effectiveness by identifying real vulnerabilities and helping develop patches in widely used open source software. High value as a cybersecurity tool. Its ability to uncover previously undetected security flaws makes Mythos highly valuable for major IT and software companies seeking to strengthen system security. Risk of widespread access. Making Mythos widely available poses a transitional risk, as such power tools could be misused by attackers to exploit vulnerabilities before they are fixed. Inevitable technological diffusion. Even if restricted now, similar capabilities are likely to emerge in other AI models over time, making advanced vulnerability detection tools move widespread. A strategic logic behind limited access. Through Protect Glasswing, Anthropic aims to give early access to key companies, allowing them to identify and fix the vulnerabilities first before such tools become accessible to malicious actors. Implications of Claude Mythos for India's cybersecurity landscape. Dependence on global software ecosystem. India's IT industry relies heavily on foreign platforms and software along with domestically developed solutions, making it both a beneficiary and a potential target of advanced vulnerability detection tools. Opportunities for improved cybersecurity. If initiatives like Project Glasswing identify vulnerabilities early, Indian companies can patch systems proactively, strengthening their cybersecurity before such tools become widely available. Risk to domestic software systems. Indian developed software may remain exposed to sophisticated cyber attacks, especially since no Indian firm is currently part of the Project Glasswing consortium. Limited direct participation. The absence of Indian companies in early access initiatives could place them at relative disadvantage in addressing emerging cybersecurity threats. Government and industry response. The Data Security Council of India under NASSCOM is actively discussing Mythos. The IT Ministry and Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-in) are studying its implications to prepare policy and response strategies. India must strengthen its cybersecurity ecosystem, institutional readiness, and industry participation to effectively respond to the emerging risks and opportunities posed by advanced AI models like Mythos.